Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial, I will show you how to create and connect a Telegram bot to your ClickFunnels 2.0 account to give your customers a possibility to send you messages via Telegram. You will see these messages and can reply to them in MessageHub, which keeps all the communication in one place and streamlines the whole process. Two things before we get started. If you don't have your ClickFunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find a link to an exclusive 30-day trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you will also receive our ClickFunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using ClickFunnels 2.0, in the description you will also find a link to a package deal that will help you save up to 50% on your ClickFunnels 2.0 subscription. And second, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. Now let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to create a Telegram bot and generate a token. No worries, it's quite straightforward and I will guide you through it. In your Telegram account, search for bot father. Then click on the name here and click Start. Type New Bot. Next you need to give the bot a name and select a username for it, which must end with bot and be unique. Once you do that, you will get a message like this, telling you that the bot is ready and you can copy the token. Step number 2 in this whole setup is to connect the Telegram bot to ClickFunnels 2.0. To do that, we need to go to MessageHub. If you have not used MessageHub before, you may not see this section here. To add MessageHub to your dashboard, just click this plus icon, then find MessageHub and click on the card. It will add this feature to your dashboard and you will be able to easily log into MessageHub. By the way, if you want to learn more about MessageHub, how to set it up, how to add different inboxes, you can watch a tutorial by clicking on the card up here. Then we go to the settings, chat inboxes, click Add Inbox and select Telegram. We need to paste the token that we received from Telegram in this field and then click Create Telegram Channel. Next, we add agents who will be responsible for this inbox. And that's all you need to do to set up Telegram messages in ClickFunnels 2.0. You will see the Telegram inbox on the left here, and when you click on the name, you will see all the messages that come from Telegram. Now let's test how it works. In my Telegram, I will search for our bot that we created, click on its name, and then I can start the conversation. We see the messages that I sent from the phone in ClickFunnels 2.0. If I click on this conversation, it will be assigned to me as an agent and I can just type my reply here. And as you can see on the phone screen, I immediately received the reply in Telegram, which means our Telegram integration and the setup work as expected. Another great thing about the Telegram integration in ClickFunnels 2.0 is that you can use it to send follow-up messages to your contacts. To do that, you can create a workflow. You can find workflows in the automation section, then click Add Workflow and create a new workflow. I will use the one that I already have. We open the workflow to edit it. The first thing that we need to do here is to set a trigger. Click Add a Trigger. You can see in the drop-down here that there are a lot of different triggers that you can use, and the one that we need is an opt-in trigger. Then you need to select the funnel and the funnel page where the opt-in happens. I don't need the contacts without an email address, and we need to activate the trigger. After that, click Save Changes. It means whenever somebody opts in on the funnel page that I defined, it will trigger this workflow. Now we can add another step to this workflow, and it will be sending a MessageHub message. In this drop-down, select Telegram, and then just enter the message that you want to send. For the first message, I also would enable this feature. Click Create Step. If you want, you can add a delay. let's say 1 day, And after that, add another message or multiple messages, and in this way create a follow-up sequence in Telegram. When the workflow is ready, you need to activate it. And now the messages will be sent to the contacts who opt in on this page. That's how easy you can connect a Telegram bot with ClickFunnels 2.0 and reply to all the messages that you receive in Telegram in ClickFunnels 2.0 directly. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. I will see you in the future videos.